Hello all, this is Vasu from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about the scatter plot maps. So how it is visualized in an effective manner with the help of Tableau tool. So we can discuss in one by one. So in the previous video we are discussing about the time series maps and how we have to making as a tree in hierarchical level and connections and correlations. So followed by we can discuss about how this scatter plot maps are defined and how it is converted into meaningful data in visual analytics. So here the scatter plot maps, so it is comes under the maps. So here we can the scatter chart as scatter plot. So it is a very useful tool to visualize the relationship between two sets of data. So it has the value of axis. First one is a horizontal axis, second one is a vertical axis. So under that horizontal axis we can set a numerical data value, and likewise in the vertical axis we can set a numerical values. So here we can categorize the data in visualization tool like as a scatter plot maps. So here we can use majorly two axes. So one is the x and y axis. So it may be a numerical value or else it may be a alphabetical value. The next, how we have to create a scatter plot for a specified flat file means, so we have to analyze the data in rows and column wise. So based on that the geographical analysis, like latitude, based on that latitude and longitude, the data will be categorized in the, and also it is displayed in the Cartesian part. The next, how it is creation and how the data requirements are available means, first we have to segregated two different columns. So one is already known as latitude and longitude. So here the movement of the value may be from top to bottom or bottom to top, or else left to right or right to left. So if I am taking as a geographical or spatial value means, the two different columns should be represented. For example, the decimal degree format value, like minus value from starting from -1 to 0 followed by the +1. These values should be present in the closer to -1 to 0 and 0 to +1. So likewise we can creating a scatter plot value. So here totally 5 steps are available. So first step, we have to select the scatter chart from the visualization panel and drag it into the report page. So this is the first step. The next step, from the field selection, expand over broken down. So this is the data set. This is the one type of value. We have to select it. Then drag and drop. So under that, first we have to provide the sales to x-axis, profit to y-axis. So if you are replacing the sales and profit value from y to x means it is not providing a meaningful data. So in data analytics, so as a user I need to analyze the data in very careful manner, whether the data is provided in a x-axis or else whether the data is provided in a y-axis. So here the sales value should be present in x-axis only. Likewise the y-axis profit value should be present in y-axis only. Then see customer name to be in details. So in that labels, that like one menu is available that is called as a detail. So in the detail we have to provide a customer name, then only we can easily retrieve from that scatter plot what is the sales value exactly, what is the profit value exactly. Okay, so these are all the majorly 3 steps we have to follow in a very proper manner. So this is the best example for how to creating the scatter plot. So this is the scatter plot, x-axis. So in that x-axis should be value should be in a sales, in y-axis should be present in a profit. The final result after completing the step 2, likewise this blue color value will be represented. So if you are looking at this left side, they are providing the customer name. So the customer name should be comes under the detail. So in the after the detail it is providing one category. So that maybe provide the order date, order ID, region, so shipping date. Likewise the following values are displayed over that. So if you are looking at this step 2, that x under that summation, the profit and sales value is displayed here. So if you are looking at this arrow mark, at the end of the value the Cartesian part will be displaying like this, the scatter plot value. So this is the sales and profit for the specific value. So this is the effective scatter plot is displayed here. Thank you.